Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking your GTA V version and platform before starting migration. Make sure the source and target use the same major game build. Next, locate and back up your profile and save files to a separate folder. Include cloud saves if they exist and disable automatic sync temporarily. Record error codes and take screenshots when the migration fails to aid troubleshooting. Also note whether you used mods, as they often block clean migration attempts. Remove or disable mods and tools like OpenRoman4 before attempting migration. Mods cause file mismatches and will prevent successful restore. Verify game files through your platform client to repair corrupted files before you try again. This step replaces missing or altered files and reduces conflicts. Export saves as. Back and copy them to the target profile folder during the migration. Keep a separate clean copy to revert if anything goes wrong. Use a clean install or fresh profile for the first migration attempt to minimize variables. Run the game once without mods, then import saves from your backup to confirm compatibility. Monitor for errors and test loading into single player before enabling online features. If the migration still fails, reinstall GTA V and repeat verification and restore steps from scratch. Finally, reintroduce mods one at a time and test, after each change, to catch conflicts early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.